Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? Hopefully we are always in good condition. Who I respect Mr. Profesor Dr. Sutarto Hadi MSc MSc, Miss Rahmita Nurbaiti MPD, and Miss Kamaliah MPD as a lecturer in Mathematics English courses. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tiara Paramita. My ID number is 211-011-81200008 from Group 9 in Mathematics English courses. Here, I will explain about the last second mathing, about chapter 5 is statistic. In statistic, we have 3 points about vocabulary, video, and example. Okay, the first material is vocabulary. Okay, vocabulary 1 is mean. Mean or nilai rata-rata. The mean is another word of the average. To find the mean, add all the numbers together and divided by how many numbers there are. Example, if a data set showed 12, 16, 4, 6, 22, 12. The mean would be 12 because the formula M equals to amount of data divided by lots of data. So amount of data equals to 12 plus 16 plus 4 plus 6 plus 22 plus 12 divided by lots of data. Lots of data equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So lots of data is 6. So 12 plus 16 plus 4 plus 6 plus 22 plus 12 equals to 72 divided by 6 equals to 12. So the mean is 12. Next, median. Median or nilai tengah. Median is the middle value or the midpoint of the data when arranged in order. Example, if data set showed 5, 3, 4, 2, 1, first, the data must be sorted first from smallest to largest. The median would 3 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And median is 3. 1, 2 is 2, 4, 5 is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. From smallest to largest. Okay, the next is mode. Mode or nilai yang sering muncul atau modus. Mode is the value that appears the most often. The mode is also the majority value or the value with the highest frequency. The mode can be used to determine the sample from a population in statistics. Example, the following is the grade 11 science semester and examination score is 8, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, 4, 8, 9, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 9, 7, 5, 7, 8. First, sort from smallest to largest number. 4, 5. We can sort from smallest to largest number from here. So 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9. Because the number 8 is mentioned the most, the mode is 8. Because 8 is 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6. 4 is 1, 5 is 2, 6 is 3, 7 is 5, 8 is 6, and 9 is 2. So the number 8 is mentioned the most. So the mode is 8. Next, average or rata-rata. Average is a single number taken as a representative, a list of the numbers. Usually the sum of the numbers divided by how many numbers are in the list or the arithmetic mean. Example, the average of the numbers 2, 3, 4, 7, and 8 is 5 because, so the formula is A equals to, let A equals to average. So A equals to amount of data divided by lots of data equals to 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9 equals to 25 divided by 5 equals to 5. So, the average is 5. Next is data. Data in math is a collection of facts and figures that can be in any from numerical or the non-numerical. Example, the following table shows the number of oranges sold by Mike at different times of the day. How many oranges did Mike sell in a day? The solution is from the problem in example here. We can draw a table from for information in the question. So time of sale, the number of orange sold. Is morning is 13, afternoon is 21, and evening is 15. So the solution is 13 plus 20, 21 plus 15 equals to 49 orange. So Mike sold a total of 49 orange in a day. Okay, we can addition in time of sale in morning and afternoon and evening. Numbers of orange sold, we can addition. So here plus here plus here equals to 49. So Mike sold a total of orange in a day is 49. Next is counting. Counting or perhitungan. In math, to count can be defined as the action of determining the quantity or the total number of objects in a set or a group. In other words, to count means to say number in order while assigning a value to an item in group basis one-to-one correspondence. Example A. Write the counting numbers from 10 to 20. B. Write the counting numbers from, sorry, 100 to 1000, counting by 100. The answer is A. Answer A equals to Counting numbers from 10 to 20 equals to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The numbers from B, for B, the numbers from 100 to 1000 by 100 equals to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1000. Next, Next is ascending order or urutan naik. Ascending order is a method of arranging numbers from smallest value to largest value. The order goes from left to the right. Ascending order is also sometimes named as increasing order. Example, from picture here, we have a set of natural numbers are in ascending order, such as 1, less than 2, less than 3, less than 4, less than 5, less than 6, less than 7, less than 8, and so on. The less than symbol, less than is here, is used to denote the increasing order. Next is descending order or urutan menurun. In mathematics, if a pattern of number is in the decreasing flow, then the numbers are in descending order. It means that the numbers are arranged in the highest order to the lowest order. Example, from picture here, we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 are arranged in descending order. In other words, if the number are arranged from the largest to the smaller number, it is said to be in descending order. The next material is lowest score or nilai terendah. Lower score is smallest value of some given values. Example, the lowest score in a class who took the math that was 30. Next, arrangement or susunan. In general, an arrangement of objects is simply a grouping of them. The number of arrangement of item is given either by a combination or order is ignored or permutation or order is significant. Example, the arrangement of the numbers from the smallest to the largest is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, the next material is video. Video about statistic intro is mean, median, and mode. Average is a single value or such as a mean, mode, or median that summarize or represent the general significance of a set of unequal values. 1. Mean. Mean is the sum of all numbers divided by the number of numbers of data. 2. Median. The middle numbers of data. 3. Mode. Mode is the single most common number in original data sets. Example, we have a data of height of plants at our garden. We have 6 flower plants. The heights are 4 inches, 3 inches, 1 inch, 6 inch, and another 1 inch, and 7 inch. And 5 fruit plants, the heights are 20 inch, 40 inch, 50 inch, 60 inch, and another 40 inch. The solution is for the mean of 6 flower plants. So 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 7 divided by here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 7 equals to 22 divided by 6. So, is 3 plus 4 divided by 6, or 3 plus 2 divided by 3. For the mean of 5 fruit plants, equals to 20 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 and plus 40 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 20 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 40 equals to 210 divided by 5 equals to 42. So the mean of 5 fruit plants is 42. And the mean of 6 flower plants is 3 plus 2 divided by 3. Next, for the median of 6 flower plants, reorder it with ascending or 1, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. So the median is between 3 and 4 are 3.5, or we can solve it like this. 3 plus 4 divided by 2 equals to 3.5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 3 and 5, 3 and 4, we can addition and divide it by 2. So next is median of 5 fruit plants. Reordered is with ascending order. 20, 40, 40, 50, and 60. So the median is 40. Okay, the median that is 40. Next is the mode of 6 flower plants is 1 because one saw up 2 times at data and the another only saw up once. Okay. Nah, so because this is 4, 3, 1, 1, 6, 7 is the mode is 1, so 1 is 2 to so up. Okay, next is the mode of 5 fruit plants is 40 because 20, 40, 40, 50, 60. 40 is two so ups in data. So the 40 is mode of 5 fruits. Okay, the next material is examples. Example 1 is example 1. The question is, Dana's average in mathematics is 82 after taking 8 tests to the nearest whole number. What will her new average be if she earned 92 on her next test? The solution is, from the question, we know that Dana's average in math is 82 and she taking 8 tests. The sum of her score in math equals to average divided, average times how many she's taking the test. So, 82 times 8 equals to 656. If she earned 82 on her next test, so the sum of her score will be 656 plus 92 equals to 748. So Dana's the average so Dana's new average score after she's taking 9 tests will be 748 divided by 9 equals to 83.11111. We can round down. So the final answer is 83. So the nearest to the nearest whole number Dana's average will be 83. Next, example 2. Three numbers are in the ratio of 2 to 4 to 7. What is the largest of this number if their average is 52? The solution is, from the question, we know that three number is in ratio is 2 to 4 to 7. Their average is 52. So the sum of the number is average times how many the number is. So 52 times 3 equals to 156. Apply the algebra operation. Let x be the multiple, so 2x, 4x, and 7x. The algebra equation will be 2x plus 4x plus 7x equal to 156. So 2x plus 4x plus 7x equals to 13x equals to 156. Both and side we can divide it by 13. So x equals to 12. The number is 4 2x. 2 times 12 for 4x equals to 4 times 12 and 4 7x. So 7 times 12. For 2x, final answer is 24. For 4x, final answer is 48. For 7x, the final answer is 84. So the largest number of this number is 84. Next is example 5. Example 3 is example 5. To get the question is to get from class to outside the main entrance of the school, you can use any of their stairways to the first floor, either of two corridors to the main lobby, and either of two doors. How many different paths and you choose from? The solution is, from the question we know that there are three stairwells to the first floor. Let stairwells is S1, S2, and S3. So we have two corridors to the main lobby. Let two corridors is C1 and C2. So in S1 stairwells 1 have two corridors, C1, C2. The stairways 2 have corridor 1 and corridor 2. Stairways 3 is have C1 and C2. Corridor 1 is corridor 2. First stairways and per corridors have two doors. Let doors equals to D. Two doors is D1 and D2. So we can subtract D1 and D2 in corridors. In the corridor. So S1 have C1 and C1 have D1 and D2. And then S2, S3, C1, C2 in the S3, C1, C2, and S2. We have they have D1, D2 in C1, C2 in S3, S2, S1. So the the final answer is 12. Why 12? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We can addition in D, D1, D2 in C1, C1 in S1, D1, D2 in C2, C2 in S1, and seterusnya. Okay, so we can be visualized by a tree diagram or flow chart like this. Let as a stairwell, C as the corridor, D as a door. Okay, so we also can use counting principle, which is the product rule. Let N1 as the stairwell, N2 as the corridor, and 3 as the door. The product rule is N1 times N2 times N3. So 3 times 2 times 2 equal to 12. In the here, clear 12 possible ways to go outside of the main entrance. Why? Okay, so clear 12 possible, and here is 12 possible ways from classroom outside. So the final answer is 12 possible ways from classroom to the outside of the main entrance. Next example, last example is example 6. The question is, at the local fast food restaurant, you can choose from 8 different sandwich, 4 different side dishes, and 5 different beverage. How many different meals can you have consisting of one sandwich, one side order, and one beverage? The solution is, from the question, we know that there are 8 different sandwich, 4 different side dishes, 5 different beverage. We can use counting principle, which is the product rule. Let N1 is the sandwich, N2 is the side dish, and N3 as the beverage. The product rule equals to N1 times N2 times N3. So 8 times 4 times 5 equals to 160. It's that simple. We can use another way to solve this problem in the next slide. From the solution here, so there are 160 ways to choose different meals. In solution 2, yes, is solution 1, here's solution 2. One way to create a visual for this problem is to think of the filling slot. Y divided by sandwich times Y divided by side dish times Y divided by beverage. Y. Fill slot with the number of different size. So 8 divided by sandwich times 4 divided by side dish times 5 divided by beverage equals 160. Y 8, Y 4, Y 5. So in the information, we have 8 different sandwich, 5 different side dish, and 5 different beverage. So this is total different sandwich, different side dish, and different beverage equals to 160. Okay, 160 we have from here the product rule. Okay, the answer was Sam. I'm sorry. Y8, Y4, and Y5. From the information, we have there are 8 different sandwich, 4 different side dish, and 5 different beverage. So, in here is different sandwich, different side dish, and different beverage. Um, we can we can operation is the final answer is 160. The answer was Sam is 160. So this way will help with more complicated problems. So there are 160 ways to choose different meals. Okay, that's my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.